Hi guys, good evening. This is Rikar. Welcome back to SK Cloud YouTube channel. SK Cloud YouTube channel. Okay. If you have any queries, please mail to srcloudk8@gmail.com. Okay. And today I'm going to teach you about how to install Linux machine on your local laptop without having any virtual machines, VMware, Oracle box. Okay, so you don't want to install virtual box on top of Linux, and it will be consume your space, and also your memory also it will share. Now, without all these things, I'm going to teach you how to install Linux machine on your local laptop using WSL command. Okay, there are three commands only you need to install. So after that, you will get your own Ubuntu machine to practice your Linux basics to a advanced level. So now, uh, how to install before that? So we need to have a minimum requirement to set up this WSL on your local laptop. So it must be Windows 10 or above, Windows 11 also fine. And in BIOS, we need to enable virtualization VT. It is called VT also, we will call it as VT virtualization and BIOS. And it must be an administrator, okay, in Windows. So let's go to install WSL. There are three commands only. One is WSL hyphen install. First, we need to install WSL command. Then we need to install WSL hyphen install -d for we are specifying the Ubuntu machine. Once it is installation and download and it will install. Once the installation is done, it will ask you to reboot your machine. Okay. After you reboot, it will ask you to create your own username and password. Okay, that's it. So let's start it. I'm going to install, I'm going to open PowerShell in my local laptop. So here we need to be run as administrator. So I'm selecting run as administrator. We can use yes. So I have opened twice. So no, yeah. WSL install. So it will downloading Ubuntu mission. So I think in my system WSL is there already. So once you install WSL, then you need to run this command WSL install -d Ubuntu. Okay. It is very simple to practice your Linux and environment in your local laptop without having any heavy softwares. Okay. So you can practice your user management, disk management, and user administrated things in your Linux environment. That's it. So, and today I'm showing you this, and also from next video, I will share my knowledge and some technical tips for you. So please watch my channel and subscribe it. If not, please share your friends so that they can also watch my videos and learn something new. So from tomorrow, I will share you the networking fundamental things on my channel. Please keep an eye. Okay. Yeah, from today onwards, I'm going to be a live from now onwards because from last past months, I don't have a time to start all these things, having some work. Now, From today onwards, I will be in active on the YouTube. So I will share my knowledge on my YouTube. So whatever I'm having in my past 10 years, so I will share it with you. Like Linux troubleshootings and solutions, whatever I'm having. And also, not only Linux and networking, but I will also teach you, I will share my knowledge like AWS cloud. So how to create an EC2 instance, what is the difference between um, load balancers and okay, how it works. So route 53, IAM, okay, and SS, SNS. So all these, there are so many services are there. I will share with my knowledge. Okay, I'll share you. Now it is installing Ubuntu machine. So after downloading Ubuntu, I told you, right? First command is WSL hyphen install. It will install WSL on your local machine. So it will convert it as a Linux environment. Mm. And also in my channel, there are two playlists are there. So you can watch you and learn about the networking, AWS, cloud, basics to advanced series also there. So please watch it. Uh, if you are haven't watched my channel, please go and watch cloud things. So you'll gain some knowledge. And also I will teach you, and also I will share my advanced uh, experience. Okay. Now, so I think it is a install. Now, what we are going to do is WSL hyphen install hyphen D Ubuntu. Okay, it is saying it is already installed. It can be launched via WSL hyphen D Ubuntu. So again, I'm installing why. So it is already there. So let's try Ubuntu. App is see. Ubuntu app is there. So I'm launching Ubuntu app now. This is not required, already installed and done. I opened this thing. So yeah, see, this is the Ubuntu mission. It is opening. So for your first time who are doing this, so it will ask you to reboot your mission. So after installing this second step, okay, then reboot and come back and open your Ubuntu app, okay, like this. It will ask you to create your username and password, okay. Let's see now. Yeah, from yes, tomorrow I'm going to start my series in Telugu only. So networking basics to advanced for only DevOps related only networking and Linux things also Linux for DevOps related. So, if you are familiar with Linux and networking and hardware basics, then only you are good at the cloud technologies and also DevOps related things. If you are not aware about the hardware and Linux networking, so you may confuse while creating EC2 instance and how much storage we need to create. If something storage is full, disk is full, how to add another disk in the mission. So you will be confused. Okay, so that's why we need to, before learning or parallelly, you should learn these things also. So I'll teach you these three Linux, AWS, sorry, Linux and networking part and hardware fundamental. Okay. See, now it is asking create a default Unix username. I'm going to give my Sri. And also it is asking you to create new password. Now I'm creating password. See. See, this is my Ubuntu machine side. If I want to switch to root, su sudo sufn, asking me password, give your password. See, now I am in where? PWD root. So if you want to see my OS, what is my OS release version cat slash etc OS hyphen release. Okay. See what it is. Ubuntu 24. This is my Ubuntu 24 mission, virtual mission. So now here you can practice your comments like ls, what is ls? You can create folders. Okay. So like this. From I will teach you, I'll share my knowledge so from today onwards. So please subscribe my channel and keep an eye and my SK Cloud channel. So you can get you can get more knowledge with practical. So I'm going to teach you. So this is the Ubuntu mission, guys. So that's it today. So I hope you understood. So these three commands only we should run. Okay. These three only. One is WSL install. Second one is WSL hyphen install hyphen D Ubuntu. Second, you need to reboot your machine. Then after rebooting, come to search box and search Ubuntu app. It will ask you to create username and password. Then switch to root using sudo su hyphen. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. See you on next step. Bye bye.